Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
Remember the days when it used to be said really, really quickly? Like you could barely hear it. It was the same as those smallest fine prints you would see on a contract, like which you literally could not even read. So that's how mutual funds were, because they were a risky investment, they were advertised. And they used to, like, I remember, I'll try and say it one more time, but mutual funds are subject to a market risk. Please, you get the point. Mutual funds are subject to market risk. Please read the offer documents carefully before investing. Something like that, right? So we have moved from share market, mutual fund, and there are more options. There are options like cryptocurrency to invest, and that's great. I mean, as an investor, as a trader, it is always good to have options to invest, but this is something very new to Indians in general, and I just wanted to help you out with some of the acronyms or some of the definitions of what a cryptocurrency is or what a Bitcoin is. So brace yourself and let's get started. We can start with the very first one, which is Bitcoin, like the face of cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin is just one of the digital assets, that is also a term, but it is just one of the cryptocurrencies that is in utilization and is in the market, but it is the face of cryptocurrency. A lot of people would just think that Bitcoin is cryptocurrency or cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but that's not the case. So Bitcoin is just one of the coins out of almost 8,000 or more coins. So if you go to CoinMarketCap, I think that's the website, which I will just look it up on my computer right here. So if you go on CoinMarketCap, which I think lists all the crypto, yes, coinmarketcap.com, you will find around 8,000 or more cryptocurrencies. So it could be, I mean, the most popular ones are of course Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, Tether, XRP, all of this. I mean, the top 10. But I mean, people just know Bitcoin in India. I think some other people, Ethereum is huge, so Ethereum might be, you know, something that people might know, but still I feel that, you know, the information about cryptocurrency or Bitcoin in general in India is still very low, and I thought I could add some, you know, basics to help you out of what it is. So in this video, I will just cover some of the basics, like some of the general terms, cryptocurrency, market terms, or, you know, the acronyms or short forms that people use normally. And in the next video, we will look at what is the scenario in India right now, like how many cryptocurrency exchanges do we have in India, you know, what is the government thinking, because there are so many news going on about they might ban it, they might, you know, allow it or not allow it, and there's a lot of confusion. So a lot of crypto traders and investors in India are really worried about what the future is for them, and I thought, you know, I could just do a 2-video series where I can debunk some of the myths or, you know, give you the latest information about what's happening. So let's start with some of the short forms that you will hear a lot if you are in the crypto industry, you know, trading or investing, whatever. So one of the biggest one you will hear is HODL, HODL, HODL. Now HODL is just a, you know, derivative of, or it's just when you hold something, like, you know, you buy something and you hold it long term. So instead of hold, they have just you know, replaced D and L. So it's HODL, HODL instead of hold, but it just means like if you want to hold something for a long term. So that's the same. Then we have AML and KYC. Now everyone knows KYC in India, know your customer, but AML is anti-money laundering. So one of the biggest issues with cryptocurrencies is that it can be used for illegal trade or, you know, illegal activities, you know, financing terrorism, whatever, because of the nature of the decentralized and also it was allowed. I mean, earlier on crypto was allowed around the world. Now it's changing. The rules and regulations are there that you have to know your customer, but earlier on you could be doing it privately. So you don't have to disclose your identity to buy or sell crypto or even trade in it. But that is changing massively, and there are very, very few countries or very few companies which actually allow you to trade anonymously. But now you have to provide your documentation, like your government ID, passport, or whatever, Aadhaar card in India, to trade in crypto or to invest in crypto. So that's changing. So that is for anti-money laundering. So people can be identified as to who is this person who's trading or investing in crypto. Then there is ATH, which you will always hear, like, oh, Bitcoin broke ATH, which is all-time high. So Bitcoin, I have been working as a digital marketing manager for a UK-based cryptocurrency exchange, and that's how I got into the industry. And I know a little bit whatever I know today, which I'm sharing with you, or over the last few months that I've read on news and followed news. So ATH is all-time high. Then there is, of course, DeFi, which stands for Decentralized Finance. So DE from decentralized, and finance is FI. So DeFi, that is how the crypto industry works. It is not centralized. Like US dollars is issued by or governed by the US bank and the US central bank, like RBI in India, which governs the rupee. But cryptocurrency or Bitcoin is decentralized finance. No one country or no one bank in the world can control it. It's around the world, spread across the world, through blockchain technology, and there's a lot more, but we'll cover the really important basic ones today, basic terminology. So DeFi, decentralized finance. Then it's ICO, initial coin offering, which just like IPO, initial public offering, shares are issued for a company. There's an initial coin offering. So today I can be if I want, I can get a new coin by my name, which could be the GeekSig coin. So GSC, sorry, GeekSig coin, GSC, and then I can issue it, and I can do an initial coin offering where some people are offered that for free of cost, and some people are can subscribe and all of that. So initial coin offering is very similar to initial public offering in the terms of share market, and here it's in for crypto. FIAT, FIAT, that is any government issued currency. So in US it could be US dollars, euro, in India it's rupee. So when they say fiat to crypto or crypto to fiat, it's like fiat to crypto is when you use rupee to buy cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever, and when it's crypto to fiat, it's like you sell and you get your fiat back, which is your normal currency back. So that is what crypto. OTC, over the counter. So it's just like over the counter sales we have in share market, again over the counter sales in crypto. Okay, that pretty much sums up. Very important, FUD. Now what happens is crypto market is highly volatile. Like forget mutual fund, forget share market, they are nothing compared to crypto. No one can know what the price of Bitcoin would be tomorrow or 10 days later or a year later. Everyone can just predict, and those predictions might not be right. When it comes to share market, when it comes to mutual funds, there are fund experts, there are fund managers, there are share market brokers, and who can tell you with certain precision that this share could go to this price, this mutual fund would give you this much percentage of return. But in crypto industry, we don't have experts yet. There's no financial expert who can predict, because of the nature of the industry, that it is so volatile that you don't know. Because they could be people like Elon Musk who just do one tweet and they can change the course of Bitcoin price, can surge or it can drop. So it is so volatile that it can be by one tweet of Elon Musk, the market can change. So FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, stands for when people, when bearish people and bullish people, when bearish people try and make these predictions or make this news that they try and spread fear, uncertainty, or doubt in the market or in the minds of people, investors or traders, saying that Bitcoin will crash for blah blah blah, this reason, that reason. So that's FUD. Very used term. It is used very often, and you will see that on Reddit and on Twitter, everywhere, FUD. Right, so that pretty much sums up a little bit. I mean, we're already at 10 minutes of video, but I just wanted to cover the basics of what the industry has in terms of acronyms. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't forget to look out for the next one, where I will cover what is the industry like in India, what is the situation right now, do you want to, should you get into it, should you not get into it, how should you get into it, what are the options, stuff like that. So if you want to know more about how to invest in cryptocurrency or Bitcoin in India, watch out the next video, and I will see you very, very soon. That's coming really soon, so keep your subscribe button, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you have turned on the notifications, and yeah, the video is coming really soon. Take care, talk to you soon.